Hey, what's up, you guys? Justin Salter here to teach you kind of a tricky song to play, but it's simple, but it's tricky to move their hands quick enough to hit the next chord. So it's going to start with the D, with a major third. Then it's going to go to a G minor, to an E minor, back to the G, back to the D. So, yeah. You're going to put your middle finger on the D string, so 5th fret D string. Then your pointer finger on the 4th fret D string. And then you're just going to ring out the G. So it's going to go. Then to the G, you hit the G. So pointer finger on the 3rd fret E string, which is a G chord, G note. To the perfect 5th up, which is the D. So basically the same chords, you just add the G over on top of it. So that G rings out. And then it's going to go to an E minor. So it's E, and then to a perfect 5th above that, which is a B, to a perfect 5th above that, which is an F sharp. Back to the G chord. And then back to the D. And then it does this like cool little... Sorry, I just learned it like 5 minutes ago, so I'm not good at it, but... Something like that. Something like that. Sorry, I'm not that great. I was just going to teach you the guitar one. That's kind of guitar 2 part. So today we're just going to do the main guitar 1 piece. And then it's, like I said, it's hard to transition, so you might want to do it to where your ring finger's on the D string, your middle finger's on the D string, A string, you know, the D note, sorry. That way you can just drop it. And then this is a little tricky because you have to hit the power chord on the E. And then back to the G minor chord. Back to the D. I don't know. Sorry. I'll have to figure that out later. But like I said, guitar 1 today. Like I said, I'm already setting myself up for failure, so you want to start with, so you can drop that pointer finger down. And then it, you know, like I said, that guitar 2 does that. Something like that, some little dance thing. There's other videos that can teach you that part, but like I said, oh man. Anyway, so then we're going to go to the pre-chorus. So it's going to go to a D chord, to a C, hello tonight, to a B, can't stop this feeling, can't stop this, to E minor, Hysteria, to C, to D, E minor, C major, E major, that's basically it. So those are the main parts there. Like I said, it's a little challenging to you know. But that's the basic gist of it. I just want to do a quick tutorial so you can kind of play it quickly and easily. So it's D to G to E, and then back to G and D again. So that's basically it, man. And then the pre-chorus does like a D major to a C. So it's you leave your fingers where the D chord was, and then you just drop the C down. Alone tonight. D to the B. Same thing. You just leave your ring finger and your pinky finger on the B and E string, and then drop your pointer finger on the B string, on the 2nd fret A string, so it's a B note. That's basically it. Drop a comment on what I may have missed or what you want to learn next. I went out of town to see my buddy for Christian, so I'm behind a week, but I'm here and I'm back, and I'm going to try to do one of these a week. So drop a comment, and I also do private lessons if you want to hit the Calendly link in the description or on my profile page. Peace and love. Bye-bye.